Hi Rich, it's Chris again from Coffee Group. Now I'm going to show you how to insert your photos into your galleries, and you have 4 separate galleries that this page holds or points you to. So let's start off right away. We're already in the dashboard. You've gone through the login like you did before. So what you need to do is just go right down to galleries, just click right on that. And here are your 4 galleries that coincide with what's actually out on the page. So let's pick, doesn't matter, you want to start with the first one, steel with PVC overlay. We click on that. Now we don't do anything here in the page. This is a little bit different. We go right down to upload a file. It's a little bit different. We click upload a file, and you'll be presented with this upload window dialog. It's similar on the PC. PC and Mac do not use this as a program. This is all up on the server, so it's the same for both. It doesn't matter what you're using. Even if you use mobile, it's the same way. So let's click on, we used this picture before, but it's not the same, not drag and drop like we did with the media before, so we have to be a little careful with what we pick. You have to know where your file is. Now this is uploading. Won't take long as you have fast internet, which I'm fairly sure you probably do. Now we have to create this as an item, so we go back up and we just click update. And after we click update, it's going to update the gallery. And it will always be the newest. So it will always be here in the top row in the first position. And if you want, you can add these titles, tags, etc. You don't really have to do any of that if you don't want to. If we want to start filling some of these things out, at a later date, you could do that if you want. What this installation is, where it was, or the exact type. I don't, because I'm not the garage door guy. So I think that you get along through here, you start really, being able to comb through some things. Say, oh, well, I want to fill these titles out. You don't have to put URL in. That's fine. Let's move to the next. Is click update again. Now if we go out here, let's refresh this page, the project gallery page. So we select, I use the same picture, but it doesn't really matter. So we just go to garage door steel with PVC overlay. And there it is. See, the titles would show up here directly underneath the photo. But if you want them to look at the full-size photo like everything else, then they click on it, automatically does it. And we've kept the box here this size so we don't run into any further issues with screens that might not be quite able to handle, or just kind of have different resolutions, sort of like the situation that you have with your monitor. We don't want that happening to especially prospective customers. So but should be in pretty good hands. Most people don't have an issue seeing the site as it goes down pretty far. So let's go remove that. We'll go back to the gallery page that we were working on, and it's very simple. Click delete, it's gone, and click update. And there you have it. And the reason why we use gallery rather than the portfolio is the gallery is easier to use. It's a little more straightforward. Portfolios, you actually have to build pages and insert the pages, and it's not as quick to learn. So the gallery, I think, will really be a selling point for you when you have your customers or prospective customers come and take a look. They'll go right in there. It's easy to identify what types of doors they are. Click on it. And like I said, if you want, you could start adding in the titles of whether they're the name of the project or the type of door, because I know you had asked, let's make sure that we kind of cleanse the site so we don't have any customer names or locations, and we did that. We changed, within the file name structure. So, again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And like I said, spend about 20 minutes. I don't think it will take you 20 minutes with the gallery, but I'm, absolutely sure that you'll be able to master this relatively quickly.